Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I am super beyond excited for this video, and the reason why has nothing to do with the video. It's the fact that today I am finally, for the first time, filming with my new camera, and I feel so giddy about it. I'm so happy. So if anything is off during this video, I think I got the audio worked out. I think that the lighting and everything still looks okay. I'm not sure. Hopefully my mic doesn't pick up the autofocus sounds. Hopefully it's far enough away. So if anything is wrong, please feel free to let me know, because I'm still kind of in that adjustment process where I'm figuring things out because I'm so bad at technology. So having a new camera is a little bit stressful. In fact, like as I was, actually they're not red anymore. When I sat down to film, my ears were super red because I was just like, okay, we gotta do this, we gotta figure this out. I keep looking over at my screen over and over again to make sure I'm still in focused. I am. I feel like I'm gonna be so much faster at filming now because I stop like every 2 minutes and I'm like waiting for my camera to get in focus for me. This is so cool. Okay, so today's video is going to be an unboxing for the Boxycharm subscription box for the month of December, and I do get this sent as PR, and I am affiliated with Boxycharm, so I have a link that I'll leave down below that is an affiliate link. So if you decide to subscribe, then I make a small commission, just to let you know right off the bat. But I always try to keep my opinions incredibly honest, and I just try to think of, if I paid the $25 for this box, whether I would be happy or not, and what products I truly love. I'm not sure if I'll end up getting removed from their PR list though, because they sent out an email that had like an entire talking list of things to say during this video. I'm like, this is not sponsored, Boxycharm. I'm doing this on my own free will. I'm not sitting here and listing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different talking points. No ma'am. No siree. So just wanted to throw that out there. Not sure if this will be continuing into 2020, but we've got it here today, so let's just go ahead and jump on in. Alright, so I will say that this box is now $25 a month, and the value is supposed to be $125. So basically 5 times what you're paying. So the theme for this month is whimsy. I keep looking over. I'm still in focus. It's a habit I'm gonna have to break. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull out whatever is on top, and the first thing I see here is super exciting. This is from Saturday Skin, and this is their Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It retails for $39, and it says it's an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. So I'm super excited about this because I actually do have just like a little tiny travel size of the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, and I do like it, but I've just been using it only when I travel, when I need a moisturizer, and I feel like Saturday Skin is starting to be a pretty well-known brand, so that's super exciting. I love when Boxycharm sends skincare because I always end up using it. So there's what it looks like. It kind of has a similar texture as the Tarte water cream, just like a lighter moisturizer. Definitely something I would use during the day. Probably not enough for like at night, but super excited about that. I will definitely use it, especially with winter and everything. Moisturizer is life. And Saturday Skin is cruelty free, in case you didn't know. So I'm just gonna go ahead, pull up my calculator so we can keep this on track. The next thing I have here is from Tarte London, and this is their Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Just looks like this, and it retails for $26. It says, add a radiant flush of color to your complexion with Marbled Light Illuminating Blush formulated without talc. This lightweight buildable formula has a blend of matte pigments and finely milled illuminating particles. So it's a glowy blush. I'm super excited. This is the shade Dusk. So the packaging is super cute. The only thing I've ever tried from Tarte is a liquid shadow that I got in Boxycharm, and then I have an eyeliner that was an Ipsy that I've been using for the longest time, just a black liner. So I'm excited about this. Let me see if I can open it. So there's what it looks like. Honestly, swatching it, it doesn't really look like a glowy blush. More just looks like a matte blush without it being like super flat matte, but it doesn't look real glowy either. But I love blush. I definitely don't need any more blush. I'm like on a blush no buy because blush takes forever to get through, but I'm super excited to use that and try it. And I love kind of cool tone pink type shades. So the next thing I pulled from the box is the Brow Bar by Rima, I want to say. It says it's the True Brow Makeover Kit. I've never heard of this before. It says style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit designed with 2 long wearing brow shades, brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and a flat brow brush. It retails for $30. $30. I'm just going to open this up and see what the color looks like. It says medium. It's probably not going to work for me. Normally, the universal brow products that come in Boxycharm, I always just end up passing along. I mean, that's cute. It has like the 2 little brow shades. It has a little brush. It has a little gel. But I think that those are definitely a little bit too dark for me. My sister has more brunette, darker hair than I do. So I think I will definitely pass this along to her. She does her brows all the time. She's not like super into makeup, but I think she would like that. So I'm just going to pass that off as a gift, like I said, but it adds $30 of value. All right, so next from the box is the Aesthetica Pro Series Brush Cleaner and Conditioner, which looks like this. It has 2.5 fluid ounces. I've never heard of this before, but it says it's formulated to effectively remove accumulated makeup and dirt from your cherished makeup tools and prolong the life of your favorite brushes. So it retails for $12, and I think that this is nice. I'll definitely try it out. I'll probably use it. I have so many brushes though that I enjoy getting to try brush cleaners, but I just always end up going back to baby soap. That's what I personally use to clean my brushes, or sometimes I use Zote soap for things that are super stubborn. And that's like $1, and then like the baby soap is like $3 for a giant like pump container. So I will definitely try this. It's not something I could see myself ever repurchasing, but I'm excited. I mean, it's something I'll use. But if you don't have a ton of brushes, this might be something that'll last you a while. Whereas me, this will probably last like three brush washes for me. Maybe. Okay, so last but not least, this is definitely what I'm most excited about in the box. Oh my gosh, I think I got the green one. Yes. Wait, let's see. Oh, I did. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. So I knew that this would be in here because I saw sneak peeks, but there was 2 different versions, and this is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales palette. They have Robin Hood, and then there was another one that was kind of more warm tones, but I saw this one and I was so excited about it because I've wanted to try Storybook Cosmetics forever. I've went back and forth on the Mean Girls, the Burn Book palette that they did, but it wasn't perfectly right for me, so I've just been waiting for the opportunity to try them. I love what they do. I love their aesthetics. I love, you know, all the different books, and I think that this is the most adorable thing ever. It is so cute, just a tiny little book, and I got the green one, so I'm super excited. Here is the colors, and it's definitely really chunky packaging, but I'm super excited about it. There's gold, a warm transition, a neutral transition, a deepening shade, and then 2 greens, a matte and a shimmer. So I'm so excited about this. Maybe I'll do a full separate video. It says, mirror, mirror, here I stand, who is the fairest in the land? And then there's a little mirror. That is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So here is, ooh, that's really nice. Maid Marian, Quiver, and Nottingham. And then we have Forest, which the mattes feel definitely pretty creamy. There's Merry Men and Robin Hood. Why did that felt and it looks so much better on my finger than it's swatched, but sometimes mattes can be like that. So there's what it looks like. I feel like this is my perfect little greeny gold condensed palette. I'm so excited to try that out. Probably one of my favorite things in Boxycharm in a while. Although, to be fair, the brushes, the 2 little brushes that came last month, I've been using like crazy. I absolutely love those. So there's the swatches. Alright, so that palette retails for $35. So the total value of this month's box is $142. I definitely think it'd be worth it. For me, what I'm most excited about would definitely be the palette. I think that's so cute. Like I said, there is another version that you can get, but I'm so happy I got the green. So happy. And then the blush, and oh yeah, definitely the moisturizer. I so love that Boxycharm has been spotlighting a lot of indie brands, between Storybook Cosmetics, who I've wanted to try forever, Ace Beauté, Alamar Cosmetics. I think that's so awesome. I feel like there's others that I can't think of right off the top of my head, but ooh, Dose of Colors. So I'm happy. Happy. Alright, so that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I would love to know if you're subscribed to Boxycharm, what you're most excited about this month. And I think that's everything. I'm so excited to go edit this video and see how it looks. You'll have to let me know if you like the quality. Fingers crossed you do, or else I'll feel like an idiot. That was a lot of money. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.